Hundreds are expected to turn out for the farewell service of Leonie Forbes, one of Jamaica's greatest actresses and broadcasters of all time. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Now, do you really think she can sustain half an hour on TV? The half an hour became 12 years before I left. She mashed it. The other obstacle was to get it on air, having recorded it. The manager of the television station, our boss, immediate boss, well, I don't know, how could you? And no Sesame Street is at that time. Barry and I looked at each other because he had to edit the commercials to put on in that afternoon spot, like at about 5 o'clock.
That voice will forever rest on the hearts and minds of many for the years to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The funeral service for actress and broadcaster Leonie Forbes is set for the Church of St. Margaret on Old Hope Road in St. Andrew on November 17, 2022. Hundreds are expected to turn out on this day just in order to pay their final respect to one of Jamaica's greatest broadcasters of all time. Dr. Keith Emile, former husband of Forbes, shared the details with reporters on Wednesday evening. The funeral service is set for the Church of St. Margaret in Leonie at 12:30 p.m. to 1 p.m. The program will be a full sum of members of the media, theatre and performing arts, said Dr. Emile, the manager of corporate affairs at Caribbean Boilers Group. Leonie Forbes, who was age 85, passed away at the University Hospital of the West Indies in St. Andrew on October 25th. No cause of her passing was given up to the publication of this report. A biography posted on the National Library website of Jamaica states that Leonie Evadne Forbes was born on June 14, 1937 and grew up in Kingston as an only child. She attended St. George's Preparatory School, Marywood Elementary School, Micro Practicing School, Kingston Senior School, Excelsior College and Durham College. Her first job after leaving school was with Sir Philip Sherlock as a typist at the University College of the West Indies. Forbes worked with playwright Barry Reckford typing his plays and at some time accompanied him to the studios of the Government Information Service, now the Jamaican Information Service, to watch the recording sessions. It was there that she got her first exposure to radio when the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation, known as JBC, started in 1955. Forbes became an announcer. She was one of its first voices along with Dennis Hall, Desmond Chambers, Erica Allen and Beverly Anderson. Forbes had leading role in 12 pantomimes and acted in plays such as See Mama, Miss Unusual, Old Story Time and Champagne and Sky Juice. She also appeared in films such as Children of Babylon in 1980, Club Paradise in 1986, Orchid House 1991, Milk and Honey 1995, What My Mother Told Me in 1995, and Soul Survivor also in 1995. In September 2012, Leonie launched her autobiography at the Little Theatre in St. Andrew. The book is a collaboration between Forbes and the university lecturer, poet, Professor Mervyn Morris. She was also honored with the Order of Distinction from the Jamaican government and the Musgrave Gold Medal from the Institute of Jamaica. She is survived by 2 of 4 children. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.